Hi 10th graders! Today is lesson number 4, Outline Introduction. At this point in our unit, you should have your topic chosen for your argument speech, and you should have done some research on the different perspectives on your topic, and that should have been completed through your pre-work assignment. Today, we're going to start out with filling out our argument speech outline, beginning with the introduction. Here's our goal. Go ahead and read it with me. Goal: I can write an effective introduction. Located in your Lesson 4 folder, you will find a PDF version of your argument speech outline. You are going to upload this in Notability and fill out your outline in Notability as we go. You'll notice that this left column here, the column on the left, includes what you need to include in each section as well as the lesson it coincides with. So today we're going to focus on the introduction, and of course, this is lesson number 4. So, with your introduction, you're going to grab the audience's attention and provide important information, background information on your topic. So this should include a hook, background on topic, and your thesis. So you're going to want to kind of check these things off as you include them in the right here. Okay? Now, I'm going to model with my model argument, which the prompt was, should U.S. schools reopen in the fall 2020? So, I'm going to begin with my hook, which remember that's to grab the attention of your audience. So this could be done in a number of ways. It could be a small anecdote or some type of small story, fictional story or real story. It could include a surprising fact or statistic. Or it could be a thought-provoking question. So you want to just really think back to what have you included in the past for introductions. It could be for an introduction for a formal paper or for a speech. And how have you hooked your reader's attention? For me, when I think about that prompt or that argument, as I was doing some of my research, I came across a really surprising or alarming statistic. And I'm going to put that up here. This is what I'm going to start out with because I thought that this is a really great kind of intro and a really important hook that can really get my audience to want to continue to listen to me. So here it is. The COVID-19 outbreak has disrupted the education of nearly 300 million students across the world. Remember, if you are including a statistic, you want to make sure that you are putting it as a direct quote inside quotation marks and including the source along with it. So that's something that I thought was an alarming statistic that could really grab my reader's attention or audience attention. So that's my hook. Now I need to go into some background on my topic. So you're going to include, why is this a debatable topic? What are the different perspectives out there? Why are people debating about this? So you kind of want to just give them some background information about that, right? So here's my background information on my topic. Many political leaders, educational professionals, and students alike have debated whether or not U.S. schools should reopen in fall 2020. Some advise that U.S. schools should not reopen with the fear that this could continue the spread of COVID-19. Others believe that the country will be ready come fall. Some countries have started to successfully open schools with major changes to curriculum, building space, and scheduling. So I'm just giving my audience some background information about why is this a debatable topic. Well, here are the different sides, the different perspectives on reopening schools in the fall. So that's my background information. And then the last piece for my introduction is my thesis or my opinion about my topic. So again, my topic was, should U.S. schools go back in the fall? And now I need to take a stance, right? I need to take a stance on whether or not I think they should. Well, here's my thesis. With some precautions, U.S. schools should reopen in the fall. So I'm taking a stance. I'm giving my opinion about whether or not they should reopen in the fall. And the answer is yes. Okay, so that's my thesis. Remember that your thesis is your claim, and therefore it should be an opinion that can be backed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that does it for your argument speech outline introduction. You are going to access your argument speech outline packet in your lesson 4 folder. Okay, it's titled Argument Speech Outline. You're going to write your own argument speech introduction, and then you are going to take a screenshot of the introduction page and submit it to what you see here, Lesson 4 Speech Outline Introduction Assignment. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, good luck.